Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put your website into maintenance mode. Now there are a couple of reasons why you may want to put your website into maintenance mode. Maybe you are doing a general update or you have an issue to resolve. And in that case, you want to put your website into maintenance mode. So now this is my website accessible over the internet. Now I'll turn this into maintenance mode so that anybody who visits this site will be informed that the website is undergoing maintenance. So let's head on to WordPress, select plugins and click on add new plugin. So we are going to install this plugin, WP Maintenance Mode. Now make sure you get maintenance spelled correctly or you will not see this plugin. You may see other plugins. So by design module, okay. So we are going to install this plugin. Click on install now. So wait for it to install. So it may take some seconds to install, then activate. Okay. So this is the plugin that I just activated, installed and active WP maintenance mode. Great. So now it should. So let's head over to dashboard again and okay. So it should be under settings. So settings and click on WP maintenance mode. And all you just need to do, come under general and say activated. Okay, so just that, and you can change the design. You can change the text, the color. You can even pick a background, an image, whatever that you want to do, but I'll just say activated. So once it's activated, I'll just click on save settings. And so now let's go back to my website and refresh. Okay, so I'll log out and open the website once again. So I've logged out and I want to visit. So I want to access as a visitor. So now maintenance mode. Sorry for the inconvenience. Our website is currently undergoing scheduled maintenance. Thank you for your understanding. So now you have your website in maintenance mode and you can do any other settings that you want to do. Now I'll log in again and this time I will remove it from maintenance mode. So I'll just deactivate it and I'll just save settings. So once anybody visits the website, the person should now be able to see what is there. So now my website is back. Even if I log out, I should still be able to use the website. So I'll just open a brand new page. And my website is back. So that was it, guys. Thank you for being part of this very short video and hope to see you once again. Bye bye.